In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and use the manage.wix.com platform with a focus on optimizing your experience with the Wix Help Center. This guide will help both beginners and those familiar with Wix enhance their problem-solving capabilities through the platform. Let's start by heading over to wix.com and logging into your account. If you're not already familiar, Wix is an online platform that allows you to create beautiful professional websites with ease. Once you've entered your login details, you should be comfortably in your account's dashboard. Now, let's dive into the Wix Help Center. The Help Center is a crucial resource for resolving any issues or questions you might have regarding your Wix services. From billing and domains to editors and bookings, the Help Center covers a wide range of topics. To access it, look for the Help Center link on your dashboard. It's designed to be user-friendly, giving you access to a plethora of articles, tutorials, and support options. Once you're in the Help Center, one of the most efficient ways to get help is by using the Chat with Us feature. On this page, you'll find several categories related to common issues. It's important to select the category that most closely matches your particular issue, such as billing, domains, or bookings. This helps streamline the support process, directing you to the resources or personnel most suited to your needs. After selecting the appropriate category, you'll have the option to click on Chat with Us. This feature is incredibly valuable because it not only allows you to communicate with Wix support, but also provides an avenue to request a more personalized form of assistance. For those who are premium users, you have the added advantage of the Request a Call feature found at the bottom of the chat interface. By entering your phone number, you can have a Wix representative call you back, usually within a few minutes. This is beneficial during business hours in your region as it ensures you receive timely support. The representatives are well equipped to handle inquiries in various languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, and Japanese, among others, catering to a global user base. Understanding these steps and knowing how to access support efficiently can significantly enhance your experience with Wix, making it easier to harness the full potential of this platform. We hope this guide helps you confidently address any issues that arise and keeps your projects running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.